If you want to open Mozilla Firefox using command prompt, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. This is a simple trick that can be really useful if you want a faster way to launch your browser, or if you just like using keyboard commands instead of clicking through menus. And if this video helps you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen. You can usually find it on the taskbar, and if you do not see it right away, just click the Windows icon and start typing. In the search bar, type command prompt. As you type, Windows should show the command prompt app in the results. When it appears, click on it to open it. Once the command prompt window is open, you are ready for the next step. Now type Start Firefox exactly as shown, and then press Enter on your keyboard. After you hit Enter, Windows will run the command and Mozilla Firefox should open automatically. If Firefox is already installed on your computer, this method should launch it right away. If it does not open, make sure Firefox is installed and that the command was typed correctly. This is one of the easiest ways to open Firefox from command prompt, and now you know how to do it without searching for the app manually every time. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Windows tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.